Allow us to receive you. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you. I'm happy with what I've seen. The process has been peaceful, and from the turnout and from the conduct of all who are involved, those voting and those who are conducting the elections, I believe at the end of the day we should have something that we are proud of. I think generally from all the reports I've gotten so far, the situation is reported to be calm. The process has been also very seamless, and we've not had any negative reports from any major negative reports from any of the polling units or centers. Certainly, just like you had also alluded to, I believe all the indigents of River State are desirous of having in place, even at the grassroots, what they desire. And that's a manifestation of what we have seen through the conduct. And for me, I think it's one of the primary objectives that I was mandated to, apart from the aspect of putting the state back on its footing. I want to believe that we've done a good job.
The sentence.
Okay. You just listen. I need to go first. What you got there, but you move back.
The one I got Scotland now.
I can't wait.
What's going on? You can do pepper soup.
Mari.
The voting is in the process.
Everything is going to work well. We're happy. People are happy. You can see the talk. Okporowo!